Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make the square ring. So let's pick the top plane, change our view and click on sketch. Now we will use the square tool to make a square that is 4 by 4 inches. And we will make it symmetric around the y-axis and around the x-axis. Now we will use this corner smoothing to make sure that it's not pointy. So let's do half an inch. And we will do it on all of the sides. Luckily Onshape saves the dimensions, so we only need to input it once if we are not changing it. Click OK. Now it's a tricky part, since we will need to create a sketch on this plane, and it's very important that we draw it on this line. So when we change the view, we will draw a circle that will be 0.25 inches, and we will make sure that its center is the same as the edge. So when we go ahead and select it to be not revolved but swept, we will pick the path. And this is why it's so important that the path and the center of the circle meet. Now we just need to select all of it. And here we go. We have a square ring. Thank you and have a great day.